Why you should use YouTube Studio application and paano ito kakatulong sa YouTube videos mo para ma-improve, and how you can check your watch time hour using this application. What's up guys? Welcome back here to my channel. I share tutorial tips how to make money online, lifestyle vlog. Also, I share YouTube tips here on my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, if you want to get updated sa mga bago nating video, click that red button and don't forget to smash the bell notification para palagi kang updated. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump up to our topic today. By the way guys, just to give you heads up, I'm not totally expert sa mga analytics, and to be honest, I'm also learning about analytics, paano siya dapat gawin, and right now, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga alam ko at natutunan ko dito. So, ano ba yung mga benefits pag marunong kang gumamit ng YouTube Studio application? Well, for me, sa experience ko, it will help improve your YouTube channel, and also you can determine kung ano yung mga nag-work or hindi nag-work sa YouTube channel mo. Aside from that, malalaman mo kung saan nanggagaling yung mga traffic mo. Either sa Facebook, kung sinashare mo siya sa Facebook platform, Twitter, or Instagram. So, dun mo malalaman at kung ano yung mga age ang mga nanonood ng videos mo. So, that's the benefit. So, I will explain this hanggang sa makakaya ko.
Wow!
And sana, if you also have some other thoughts and techniques about the YouTube Analytics or YouTube Studio application na pwede mong i-share, please comment below para ma-share natin sa ibang mga small YouTubers na kasama natin. So, let's go ahead and start with the features. Number 1 is the dashboard. Number 2, videos. Number 3, playlist. Number 4 is the comment section. And number 5 is the analytics. If you have a YouTube channel and nagsastart ka pa, much better na i-download mo yung YouTube Studio application para ma-check mo yung statistic and mga progress ng YouTube videos mo. First feature na titingnan natin, sige, punta tayo sa YouTube Studio application. So, first one is the dashboard. Dashboard, parang ito yung overall na makikita mo na features for your YouTube channel. Makikita mo dito yung analytics, yung latest performance ng videos mo, and also your videos and your comments. So that is the dashboard guys. Number 2 is yung video list. So sa video list, eto yun, dito mo makikita yung mga videos mo, and you can also tap them para makita mo yung comments, kung ilang views na ang videos mo. So, yun. That's number 2 videos. Number 3 is, walang masyadong dyan, maganda kasi makikita mo lang naman yung mo dyan yung playlist. And the number 4 is the comment section. So, yung mga comment, dyan mo makikita yung mga nag-comment sa videos mo, and pwede mong lagyan ng heart o tap mo yung heart para at least alam nila na tinitingnan mo yung comments nila sa videos mo. The last one, and isa sa pinaka-importante sa YouTube Studio application, is the analytics. So, here, dito mo makita yung overview, the revenue, discovery, audience, interactive content, and also your playlist. So, hindi ko siya i-elaborate lahat. Just play with it. Tingnan nyo yung mga features niya and pag-aralan nyo. Ang ipo-focus ko dito is how you can check and calculate your watch time hours for the YouTube. According to YouTube Partner Program kasi, you should have a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So basically, kung kakalculate mo yan sa minutes, that will be 240,000 watch time minutes. Pero if you are using mobile phone, hindi mo kasi siya makikita eh. Only you can see is the watch time minutes. Pero simple lang, just totally 240,000. And para safe is 250,000 watch time minutes. Pero if you really wanted to know, makalculate yung watch time hours mo, simple lang. All you have to do is go to your analytics, nasa overview, and then go to your watch time minutes. There, makikita mo yung watch time minutes mo from March or kung anong date na nakalagay dyan. And all you have to do kung gusto mong i-calculate, sa YouTube program kasi dapat you should have 4,000 hours watch time within 12 months. So within 12 months. So kung gusto mong i-calculate yun, just go to last 365 days and then makikita mo yung total dyan. So for example, kung ano yung total mo dyan, just divide it to 60 or that's 60 minutes. So for example, this one, 18,648. I'll just divide it to 60. 48 divide to 60. So I already have 310.8 hours watch time. And baka tanungin nyo, Josh, accurate ba yan? Yes, it is.
So guys, I'm here on my laptop or website YouTube Analytics, and for the last 365 days, so if titingnan mo yung watch time niya, so ito nga is nasa 329.5 watch time hours na. It's because maybe siguro nag-update na yung ibang mga yung iba na videos na nanonood. So yes, it is accurate guys. It is accurate. So pareho lang sila. And if nalilito ka talaga sa watch time minutes, you can check on the analytics on YouTube Studio application. Just focus on 240,000. Yun yung watch time minutes.
Shoutout nga pala kay Lakad Ninja. Si Lakad Ninja kasi is nalilito kung paano i-calculate yung watch time hours niya. So, ganun lang kasimple. Just get total number of your watch time minutes and divide it to 60. That's equivalent to 60 minutes. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. That's how you calculate your watch time hours using your YouTube Studio application. I really wanted to make new videos like this. I know it will give ideas and learnings to you guys. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up para I know na you are interested on this kind of video. That's it for this video. Hope you guys like it and find it helpful. Click the thumbs up button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel para palaging updated every time I upload new videos. That's it guys. Thank you very much and I hope makasama kita ulit on my next video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye.